We live in a digital world. Our photos, music, and even our identities are increasingly online. But what about ownership in this digital space? For years, owning a piece of the digital world seemed impossible. You could download a song, but did you really own it? You could screenshot a digital artwork, but did that make you the owner? The answer was always a resounding no. Enter NFTs, Non-Fungible Tokens, a revolutionary concept changing how we think about digital ownership. Imagine owning a unique piece of digital art, a song, or even a virtual world asset, just like you own a physical painting or a vinyl record. That's the power of NFTs. NFTs are changing the game. They provide a way to verify ownership of digital assets, proving authenticity and scarcity in a way never possible before. This has massive implications for creators and collectors alike. So what exactly are NFTs? Think of them as digital certificates of authenticity. Each NFT is unique, like a digital fingerprint, and it's stored on a blockchain. Now, what's a blockchain? Imagine a giant, secure digital ledger that tracks transactions and ownership. This ledger is spread across multiple computers worldwide, making it virtually impossible to tamper with. When you buy an NFT, you're not just buying a JPEG or an MP3, you're buying the proof of ownership of that specific digital asset, and that ownership is recorded on the blockchain for everyone to see. This is what sets NFTs apart from simply downloading a file. Let's look at some real-world examples. Remember Beeple, the digital artist who sold an NFT for a mind-blowing $69 million? That sale shook the art world and put NFTs on the map. Then there's CryptoPunks, pixelated avatars that have become highly sought-after digital collectibles, some selling for millions. And who can forget the Bored Ape Yacht Club, a collection of unique ape avatars that have become status symbols in the digital world. While NFTs gained early fame in the art world, their applications go far beyond digital paintings and collectibles. NFTs are transforming industries, from music to gaming to the metaverse. Musicians are leveraging NFTs to connect directly with fans, selling limited edition albums, exclusive behind-the-scenes content, and even royalty rights directly to their supporters. This cuts out the middleman and gives musicians more control over their work and earnings. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite song complete with blockchain-verified authenticity. The gaming world is also being revolutionized by NFTs. Gamers can now own unique in-game items like weapons, skins, or even virtual land with verifiable ownership. These items can be traded or sold on marketplaces, creating a whole new economy within games. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind sword in your favorite RPG that you can sell or trade outside the game. That's the power of NFTs in gaming. And then there's the metaverse, those immersive virtual worlds where people can interact, socialize, and even own property. NFTs are crucial to the metaverse, representing ownership of virtual land, buildings, and other assets. Owning a piece of the metaverse is like owning digital real estate, and it's all made possible by NFTs. Addressing the concerns, navigating the NFT landscape. Like any new technology, NFTs have faced their fair share of scrutiny. One common concern is market volatility. NFT prices can fluctuate wildly, and some critics argue that it's a bubble waiting to burst. While it's true that the NFT market has seen its share of speculation, it's important to remember that this is still a relatively new technology. Another concern is the environmental impact. NFTs rely on blockchain technology, which can require significant energy consumption. However, the industry is actively working on more sustainable solutions such as proof-of-stake blockchains, which consume significantly less energy. It's crucial to do your research and approach NFTs with a healthy dose of caution. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose and be wary of scams or get-rich-quick schemes. Remember, do your own research is crucial in the NFT space. The future is now. Embrace the NFT revolution. Despite these concerns, the potential of NFTs is undeniable. They are transforming how we think about ownership, value, and creativity in the digital age. NFTs empower creators, giving them more control over their work and a direct connection to their audience. They are breaking down barriers, creating new economies, and democratizing access to ownership. This is just the beginning. The NFT revolution is here to stay, and it's only a matter of time before it touches every aspect of our digital lives. So, dive in, explore, and discover the exciting world of NFTs. The future is waiting. Don't get left behind.